In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register BMO Harris online banking account. We'll walk through the process from finding the right page to submitting your application so you can get set up with confidence. For the best experience, use a secure internet connection and have your personal details ready so you can move through the form smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. From the results, go to BMO's online banking page for personal banking. Once you're there, navigate to the checking and savings section. Then select bank accounts. This is where you can review BMO's checking options and choose the one that fits your needs. You'll see choices like BMO Smart Advantage Checking, BMO Smart Money Checking, and BMO Relationship Checking. Take a moment to read the highlights and any fees or requirements. When you're ready, click Open Now on the account you want to open. You may be asked if you'd like to bundle a savings builder account with your checking. Select yes or no based on your preference, then click Continue to move to the application form. The application will ask for your contact information. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID, along with your email address and phone number so the bank can contact you about your application. Next, provide your residential address. Use your physical street address. If you have an optional second address line, you can enter an apartment or unit number there, followed by your city, state, and zip code. You'll then enter your date of birth. After that, provide your social security number or ITIN for identity verification. Be sure to double check the digits before moving on. You'll also choose your citizenship status and your current employment status from the available options. Next, select your debit card style. If you don't want a debit card, check the box indicating that preference. You may also be offered 5 complimentary checks. Check that box if you'd like them added. Choose whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account. If it's joint, be prepared to provide details for the co-applicant as prompted. Review the disclosures, then check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. If you have a promo code, click the option to enter it and type it in exactly as provided. Finally, review everything carefully for accuracy and click Submit Application. That's it. Your request is on its way. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or next steps from BMO, and you'll be ready to bank online once your account is approved.